Hey traders, this is Jake from Optimus Futures here, bringing you a new tutorial. And in this video, we'll be diving into the world of deep backtesting. Now, deep backtesting is a new feature that's been added to TradingView. It's currently in beta, available for premium users. And this is for those traders out there who backtest their Pine script strategies who didn't have enough intraday data before. This will allow you to essentially backtest strategies with even more historical data than is currently loaded on your chart. It's an additional mode to the strategy tester, and it's basically testing it on time frames possible with all data that's in TradingView storage. Again, you're not limited by the number of the bars on your chart before. Previously, you were, so you do have a lot more historical data to backtest with. Now, in order to access this feature, again, you have to be a premium user on TradingView. If you are and you'd like to test out this feature right now, you can go over to the strategy tester. And first, you need to load your strategy. So let's bring up this section a little bit here. And one thing I would want to say is I haven't coded my own strategy. The strategy that I'm about to choose here, there's no real rhyme or reason to why I'm choosing it. I'm just doing it for pure demonstration purposes. Again, we don't recommend or endorse any specific strategies or trading methods. I'm just using this as a tutorial to demonstrate this feature. So let's say, for example, I come to my indicators, metrics, and strategies window, go over to technicals, and click on strategies. From here, I have a bunch to choose from, or again, you may have one from a community, or you may have created your own. Once you have chosen the strategy of your choice, and in my example here, I'll be choosing this pivot reversal strategy, I want to double click on that to add it to my strategy tester at the bottom here. So you can see we have an overview, we have performance, list of trades, and properties. Now, previously, and like I mentioned, this really only takes the number of bars or the actual data that's loaded on your chart. So for those of you who want to backtest even further to the max capacity of what your chart is currently set to, you'll find the new feature we're referring to here in the top right of your strategy tester window. So you'll want to click on this switch here to enable deep backtesting. And then we need to select a report. We need to generate a time frame. So as you can see here, I have my time frame listed right here. I have from September of 2021 all the way to September of 2022. Now there may even be more data available than this. I'm going to choose a generally short time frame here just for the sake of the video. And once I have my time frame selected, I can click this blue generate report button. We just need to give it a second here while this loads. And now you can see I have an entire strategy tester with deep backtesting data specifically for my strategy. Now, again, I could likely go even further than this. This is quite a small time frame, and given comparison to my chart up here. But again, just for the sake of the video, I wanted to do something pretty small. So feel free to test the limits of the deep strategy tester. The feature itself works in unison with the pre-existing strategy tester. Not too much of a difference here. It's just for those users who needed more historical data than before. You're now able to access it. So you can go through, you can see the overview, you can see the performance of this trade or this strategy, excuse me. You can see the theoretical net profit, the total number of trades that it's done, the percentage that it's profitable, the profit factor. You could see the largest drawdown on the account and then the average trade size. You can go to your performance summary here and you'll see all the net profit, gross profit, and various statistics of your trades. I do want to note, and there is even a note on TradingView, that it does tell you that these deep backtesting trades only appear in the strategy tester. You can see for comparison and how it used to be is my strategy was actually plotted on my chart. Well, there's only so much data available on the chart, and that's why they developed this feature. So you can go even further back than what the candles and how much data you have loaded on your chart there. You can also see a list of all the trades, the hypothetical trades that your backtester has done. And then if there are any properties that you want to configure or take a look at, you could see the date range here. You could see the symbol it was for. You could see the input of the strategy, and then you could see the properties. Again, you can customize these. If you have your own strategy, you can go into the cogwheel here, configure different visibility options, style, the properties here. You can put a theoretical initial initial capital. So if you have a different account size, you can customize that as needed. You can change the order size, base currency, pyramiding of orders. You can even put your commission into there to calculate out, the commissions taken out of each trade. You can do it by percentage or the US dollars per order or per contract. You can even add margin percentages in there, recalculations, backtesting precisions, and various inputs. That's going to about wrap it up for this video. Just a very quick video on a new helpful feature for those of you who do have strategies or run this strategy tester often. This will allow you to go back previously than you were able to ever before, load a lot more historical data. Everything that is available within TradingView's archives in terms of historical data is now available through this strategy tester in the deep backtesting mode. Again, this is currently in beta, only available for premium users. I assume this will be added to the live version of TradingView at some point. It remains to be seen what version of TradingView you will need in order to access this once it is out of beta, but for now it is available for the premium users out there. Here's a little bit of a description from TradingView. If you'd like to read that on my right side of my screen right here, feel free to pause the video and take a look at that. But again, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please head over to our community forum. That's community.optimusfutures.com and post any of your questions there. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Please like this video if it helped, subscribe, and stay tuned for more TradingView videos. Thanks, and we appreciate you watching.